Hi, this is Jerry. Welcome back to the channel. You probably already know how to say sorry in Mandarin, but are you sure you're using it in the right way? Just like in English, there's more than one way to apologize. And if you use the wrong one, you might end up sounding way too dramatic or just plain weird. Imagine saying, I deeply regret my actions when you just accidentally step on someone's foot. Yeah, that's not how people actually talk. Today, I will show you how to get it right in Mandarin, so you always sounds polite and effortless. Let's dive in. So here's what we'll cover today. First, we will talk about the common phrases for apologizing, and then how to apologize formally, and lastly, how to apologize casually. And don't forget to stick around until the end. I will share free resources to help you learn 50 practical Mandarin phrases in just 7 days. Common phrases for apologizing. So let's start with some of the most common ways to say sorry in Mandarin. These are phrases you will hear all the time. 对不起. This is the most standard way to say sorry, could be quite formal. So let's break that down. 对 here means towards or to. 不 means not. 起 here means to rise or to lift. Together, it expresses the feeling to lifting responsibility and apologize. So 对不起 means sorry. 抱歉. This is another common way to say sorry and could be used in any communication or professional setting. So let's break that down. 抱 means to hold or to embrace. 歉 means apology or regret. Together, it shows heartfelt regret. 不好意思. This means excuse me or sorry, and it's great for minor mistakes and inconveniences. So let's break that down. 不 means not. 好 means good. 意 means meaning or an idea. So together, it's like saying, I feel bad about it. And in some circumstances, it could also mean excuse me. How to apologize formally. In formal situation like at work, or with elder people, or with people you don't know well, you will want to sound more polite and professional. You could use phrases like 抱歉 and add explanation for it. For example, 抱歉请您原谅 means I'm sorry, please forgive me. So 原谅 means to forgive, and to show respect, acknowledging the inconvenience you caused, you could say 对不起让您担心了. This means I'm sorry for making you worry. How to apologize casually. When talking to friends, family, or people you are close to, you can use more relaxed phrases like 不好意思. Use this for small mistakes, like bumping up into someone. For example, you could say 对不起我不是故意的 means sorry, I didn't mean it. Or you could say 是我的错. This means it's my fault or it's my mistake. 是 means is or to be. 我的 means mine. 错 means fault or mistake. So together it means it's my mistake or it's my fault. It expresses taking responsibility for an error. So that's all for today's lesson on how to apologize in Mandarin. I hope you found this useful. Practice these phrases and try to use them in real life situations. Remember, apologize sincerely shows respect and building trust. Before you go, I have a freebie for you. It's a resource that can help you learn 50 practical Mandarin phrases in just 7 days. You can find the link in the description below. Make sure grab it and start practicing today. If you like this video, please click the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below and let me know which phrases you found most useful. And I will see you in next video. Bye.